Good morning, children. Welcome again. Today we will start new chapter from history. That is on the trial of the earliest people. On the trial of the earliest people. Yes. The previous time I said to you about the timeline. Yes. From this using this timeline they are divided some period. Okay. See, take the page number 14. All of you check the page number 14. See, earliest people in the Indian subcontinent, hunters gatherers. Take the topic. See the topics. See, in the earliest human societies developed in prehistoric times. This Indian subcontinent earliest peoples appeared around how many years, children? 2 million years. They were hunter-gatherer and wandered from place to place in search of food. Yes? Yes or no? They are hunted, the animals. See, they are leaving one group and they make the small group in the open area. They will live in river side, okay, because they want to protect themselves from wild animals. So they living in one of the group. That group is helped to hunt the animals, okay, because they are a nomadic life. Now for food purpose they want to go from one place to another place to search the food. Yes, for search the food they want to go one place to another place. Banded means what? திரிகிறது அலைந்து திரி உணவு தேடி அலைஞ்சு திரிஞ்சாங்க. Okay, see, gathering foods like items like water, fruit, roots, honey, etc., etc., whatever it is available in the natural, their surroundings, they will gather and eat, and along they will hunt the wild animals also. Okay, see, earlier people did not know how to produce the food. அவங்களுக்கு எப்படி சாப்பிட்ற பொருளை உருவாக்கணுங்கிறது அவங்களுக்கு தெரியாது. ஏதோ காட்டில் கிடக்கிறது என்ன செய்வாங்க, அடிச்சு அப்படியே பச்சையாவே என்ன செய்வாங்க, சாப்பிட்டுட்டு இருந்தாங்க. ஓகே, see, they had to survive what was available in nature. So looking for the fresh location where the food could be found. எங்க போகலாம், எந்த இடத்துல நம்மளுக்கு சாப்பாடு கிடைக்கும் அப்படின்னு சொல்லி நினைச்சாங்க, அலைந்து திரிந்தாங்க. The abundance of the existing sources were exhausted. Okay, see, that early mans, they don't have any food. They are a nomadic. Yes, they want to search their food, water and shelter because they don't have any houses. They cannot sit in one places. Yes or no? So they want to protect themselves from wild animals. Means they will be stay near the trees or caves like that. Okay, laterly they started living in caves. Okay, children, can you understand that one? See, how do you know about these people? We come to know about the earliest people through what? Archaeological sources. மறைந்ததுவான remains things. Okay, like fossils. அவங்கள பத்தி நம்ம தெரிஞ்சிட்டது எப்படிலாம் தெரியுறோம் அப்படின்னு பாருங்க. Fossils, rock shelters, paintings and stone tools. Fossils. Yes, fossils means what? மறைக்கப்பட்டதான காரியங்கள். Okay, see, there are the remains or impressions of ancient plants, animals and humans. See, this all the things is buried and preserved remains of the dead animals that lived millions of years ago on the earth are called fossils. Okay, these are the usually remains of the harder past, parts such as bones and skulls, creating a republic in a stones. Say for example, you take dinosaurs. Did you see dinosaurs now in this modern time? No. Yes, but the archaeologistic peoples, they took their skulls and bones and they found one of the type of the animals is lived in the past period. Now you can understand, children, what I'm saying? Okay. Rock painting. Many of the caves in which these earliest peoples live in the cave, yes, in the time that people draw the painting on the caves. Earlier we saw in the 5th standard also, yes children, yes or no? Yes. See, fossils can be dated through chemical analysis or carbon dating. I said yes, like that only. Rock painting also, some peoples who lived in the cave, they painted on the wall. Some of the best examples from Madhya Pradesh. There, some cave paintings are there. See, I show in the picture.
See the picture. This is a cave painting. Otherwise, we can say rock painting.
Okay.
These are the important source of information to about the life of people. அவங்க எப்படிலாம் வாழ்ந்தாங்கங்கறத என்ன செஞ்சுக்கலாம் பார்த்துக்கலாம். Their hunting expeditions in that time period, how they lived in that religious. See, one religious they will be live different ways. Yes children, see in the picture cave painting in Bhimbetka. It is in the Madhya Pradesh. It is in India only. Yes children, these earliest paintings on the cave walls were believed to be the in that period. This painting we can understand how they lived in the caves, how they hunting, cooking, eating and drinking.
Are red and white with occasional use of green and yellow. We can see how they are dancing, how they are music, how they are collected the honey collections. All from those we can be understand some information we can get. How their popular religious symbols, all we can see. Is children? Yes or no? Yes. See some tools. From these tools we can get some idea what their various requirements for the people need. This information like the size and the type of stone is used in the earlier period. See, in this picture you can see for hunting they use stones, bricks of trees. Yes, sometimes the tools they were made from the bones and wood also. Yes, yes or no? These tools they use to cut or bound or they make a new food, like including as a meat, yes, from large animals, because they don't have any tools. So this tools comes from the stone, yes. That time the humans could make the crude implement weapons of the stone like a hammer, axe head, chopper, which were fairly large in size and made of hard stones. And the கல்லுகள்லாம் பெரிய பெருசா இருக்குமா, கடினமா இருக்குமா. Okay, from that only they are used to hunt the animals. Okay. See, next, finding out about fire. How they brought that fire? How children? Now technology is improved, yes. Everything is machined. We have an electric stove for cooking, a microwave for heating, a mixer for grinding, a phone for communicating, air conditioner for cooling, and heater for heating. Have you ever wondered what life? You could live without all these things? Or if you were living in the stone or iron age, would you be survive? Would you be able to survive in those ages? No, impossible, yes. But they are survived in that period, yes. Because the discovery of fire changed their lifestyle totally. They might have discovered sparks formed while making different tools when the two stones were rubbed against each other. So they used fire for cooking, keeping themselves warm, and for frightening away the wild animals. Yes? Yes, children? So, earliest people discovered fire at the end of the Paleolithic. Yes? Yes, children? Yes. Use of the tools and developments of new techniques. The earliest people used stones to make tools for chopping, cutting, all I said, yes? Yes or no? Some tools we attached the handle of the bone, spice, firewood, yes? Like that they are improved their level. The stone tools belong to this period have been found in very large number and variety. It has led several historians to categorize this period of human history as the Stone Age. Stone Age and prehistory, okay? This Stone Age is divided by three. Early Stone Age, Middle Stone Age, New Stone Age. Early Stone Age means Paleolithic Age. That is period also we can say, okay? Mesolithic Age. Neolithic Age. That is period, okay? In the Paleolithic period, the Paleolithic is derived from Greek language, which means old stone, okay? It is old stone. In that one, some tools we are seeing, yes? Hammer, axe head. See this picture, see children? Did you see? Yes. This all the stones are very crude implements. So one of the weapon of the stone. Yes? Yes, children? Yes. This period extends from 2 millions ago to about 12,000 years ago. It's long stretch of the time. It is divided as a lower, middle and upper. In this Paleolithic time, they are suffered more. Okay. They don't have any place to live. They don't have any cloth. They don't have any cloth also. Okay. See, they did not have any particular dresses and they ventured uncovered. Later on, they started using leaves, barks and animal skin to cover themselves. And they want to stay means they look slope of hills where they could live in the caves and still have some nearby hilly stream of water and pebbles in plenty. Okay, that sites we can call habitations come factory sites. Habitations come factory sites. Day by day, they have started the agriculture also. In that period, they gather food depending for his survival on hunting wild animals and birds, fishing and collecting wild fruits, nuts and berries and even wood from the forest. Therefore, a variety of tools were made for specific purpose during this period. Okay. See, this hand axes, the stone tools they are used found near the Kashmir. Okay. A site of South India. Athribakkam near Chennai in Tamil Nadu. Rajasthan, Ahmedabad, Nagar, That's in Maharashtra, yes. See, some tools were probably made using two different techniques. The first is called stone. In this technique, see this picture in your book, 18th page number. A man held a pebble in his hand, yes? ஒரு கல்ல கூழங்கல் என்ன செஞ்சிருக்காரு கையில வச்சிருக்காரா. Another stone was used as a hammer. When strike on the pebble to give a certain shape. தேய்ச்சி ஒரு செதுக்கி என்ன செஞ்சாங்க ஒரு ஆயுதமா மாத்துறாங்க. It's a make as a weapon, okay? Pleasure faking. Here pebble was placed on the firm surface. கீழ ஒரு கல்ல வச்சுக்கிட்டு என்ன செஞ்சாரு அந்த பெப்பரோட பேர் என்னது core, okay? A piece of bone or stone was placed on the core. அந்த அடிக்கல் மேல என்ன செஞ்சாரு ஏதோ ஒரு கம்பியோ இல்ல ஒரு போன் செஞ்சிட்டாரு வச்சிட்டாரு. The hammer should now was now used to remove flash from the bone or the stone to make fake imprints. Yes, children? Yes or no? Yes. See this one in their Paleolithic social life they are lived in the caves or under the trees. Yes, I taught you. Yes or no? Yes. For showing the picture, I show this one. Okay, okay children. Next part of the lesson, remaining lesson, we can see in the next video. Now, all of you take your classwork note. All of you take your classwork note, children. Did you submit your homework? Yes or no? Yes. Did you finish your classwork that day? Yes, we learned first lesson, yes or no? Yes. Now take your classwork note. Write lesson name. Write lesson name. What is the lesson name? On the trial of the earliest people. Answer the following. How do archaeologists learn about the prehistoric people? Okay, write with your pen, okay? Write it in the new page. First you write the day and time. Not time, sorry, day. Date and day. Okay. Take care, carry on children. Okay, write fast. I give the time for you, write it fast. Write clearly, write it fast children. I give the time to write. Your handwriting should be neat. Did you finish? Write the second question. Very easy only. Archaeological sites means that's one of the places, yes. We can find the evidence of the past activities, what is preserved and investigated, yes. Third question, what kinds of tools did prehistoric peoples use? Yes. In the Paleolithic time, they used a flask and cobblers, means hand axes and clavers. Yes, Mesolithic, they will make a tiny stone tools. This one I not taught you, but I will teach in the next video. You write. Write it neatly, children. Very good. Write. I give the time for you, write it. Did you finish, children? Third question. Now fourth question. How did early people get their food? How they get? They hunt the animals. Yes, for the food they wanted to go from place to place. Yes or no? So they gather the food like fruits, roots, honey, whatever is available in the natural surrounding. Yes or no? Yes. They used hunt wild animals also. Did you finish, children? Okay, write. Write neatly, children. Write it fast. Write neatly. Now fifth question. What did early people do for shelter and clothing? Naturally, they looked for the place on the...
Say they lived in the slopes of hills where they could live in the caves and still have some nearby hilly stream of water and pebbles in plenty. Yes, they either use the leaves or skin of the animals for clothing. Yes. How did early people use fire? The fire was very useful for earliest people. Yes, it could protect them from extremely cold winter as well as from wild animals. They could also roast the meat in the fire and make that food very tastier. Yes, but in this time we are what doing? We roast in the microwave. Yes, but in the past period they don't have anything. Okay.
Seventh question. How did geography play a part in the development of man? They fertilized land, help in growing crops. So early men became a agriculture. They started settling down near river valley and were no more nomadic. They started developing modern tools. Okay, this is the geography in their development of man. Okay, it's a part of playing. Okay. Okay, children. Did you finish? Okay, I give the time for you. Okay, right. Okay, now you take your homework note, that same note, yes? Take the homework. Did you finish, children? Children? Students, can you hear me? Did you finish? Yes, you are finished. Some children are not submitted, yes? See? You want to complete your homework and your classwork, okay? Still some students, you are not sent homework, that is not good. You have to send the homework. We are marking every day in notes by the date wise. So finish your homework and send, okay? Okay, now today homework you write in your homework page. Write the date and write, filling the blanks. The earliest humans appeared around 5.7 million years ago in dash. I am giving very less homework for you. That day itself you study it, okay children? Second one, the dash are the remains of ancient plants, animals and humans. Third one, traces of ash have been found at the site of the dash in Andhra Pradesh. Early people wandered from place to place in search of dash. See, if you listen my class, you can answer very easily without seeing your book, okay? You see the book, learn each line, study each line, okay? Then you can be answer, okay? See, you have to study it on the day itself. What are the instructions given? In this video, you have to follow it. Okay, children? Don't never skip the video. Okay? You have to listen the video from beginning to last. It is very important. Okay, children? Say, children, say, how? Can you hear? Okay, very good. Okay, my children are very good. Yes? Is there no? Okay. Okay, we will meet with second lesson part 2 in next video. Okay, children? Okay, always keep your hand clean, maintain the social distance. Okay, social distance means physical distance. Okay, stay home, don't go anywhere. With your parents' permission only you want to go any places. Okay, without your parents' permission don't go. Okay, now rainy season is there, so don't roam here and there. Okay, stay at home. Okay, children, stay home, stay safe. Thank you, children.